There are a lot of new developments today in the Ahmaud Arbery investigation. The man who recorded Arbery's shooting death appeared before a judge just 3 hours ago. And William Roddy Bryan's attorney says they'll be ready for trial by July 4th. We also heard from the Georgia Bureau of Investigation today. The agents say Bryan tried to block Arbery multiple times before the young jogger was shot and killed. The video Bryan recorded of the shooting was the catalyst for Bryan's own arrest and the arrest of 2 others.
William Bryan and Greg and Travis McMichael all face felony murder charges and are in the Glynn County Jail. News 4 Jack's I-Team investigator Kelly Wiley spoke with Bryan's attorney and is joining us live outside the courthouse in Brunswick. Kelly?
Bryan's attorney spoke right before that bond hearing, right in front of this courthouse. He says Bryan did nothing but witness the shooting on February 23rd. GBI investigators say there was probable cause to make this arrest. Today, a third suspect in the shooting of Ahmaud Arbery faced a judge. This time, the man behind the camera. GBI officials said they don't believe the man recording the altercation was simply a bystander.
I can tell you that if we believed he was a witness, we wouldn't have arrested him.
Arrest warrants obtained from GBI say William Bryan, also known as Roddy, attempted to confine and detain Arbery, utilizing his vehicle on multiple occasions. Police reports state this happened after father and son, Gregory and Travis McMichael, got their guns, got in their truck, and followed Arbery through the neighborhood because they thought he was a burglary suspect. All 3 men are facing charges of felony murder. The attorney for Roddy Bryan refused to answer questions about the newest allegation against his client.
In response to the statement made by GBI Director Vic Reynolds this morning, with all due respect, from our perspective, it feels like the only thing that has changed since February 23rd or May 8th with respect to Roddy Bryan are the changing political winds. But we will not rush to judgment.
Our cameras were rolling as GBI investigators swarmed the home of Roddy Bryan to search for evidence on Thursday. The family of Ahmaud Arbery tells us the arrest of Bryan is a relief.
I was really overjoyed. I'm so happy because we always knew that he played a part in this. And to see him still being out, we had so many questions. But now that the GBI's got involved, it seems like everything is starting to work out in our favor.
And bond was not set for Roddy Bryan today. A judge said the Superior Court will have to set that for him. But his attorney did say that they're going to demand a speedy trial in this case, one that he hopes will actually begin on July 4th. Coming up at 6, we're telling you the hang-up that GBI has with making more arrests. Reporting live in Brunswick, Kelly Wiley, Channel 4, the local station.